Today we in the airplane.
We are in the airplane, look guys, and here's Dima. Hi Dima. Oh, look at the airplane, Sally. It's over there. Where are we going?
In the airplane, a big one.
We are going to New York.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have to say Happy Valentine's Day, guys.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. And
Alright.
so today we are gonna open the chocolate eggs. So let's open.
We have, what do we have? We have Barbie.
Barbie. So let's open it.
She is so pretty.
Big.
This is a giant egg.
Mhm.
And it's Barbie. Look,
Yep.
she's so pretty.
Barbie, living in the dream house. Yeah.
Yeah. And we have
This.
a bunny.
Yeah, a bunny.
Kinder Surprises eggs. So we got 4 of them.
Yep.
So which one are you going to open?
And this.
Okay, the big giant egg. Let's do this, Sally. What do you think it's gonna be
I
inside?
want a Barbie.
Barbie? Okay. Yeah, come on. There you go. Ooh, look at this chocolate. Wow. Guys, what do you think, Sally?
Good.
That's a giant one. That's a giant egg. Put it here and open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Whoopsie. Ooh, look guys. This is so cute. How does it taste?
Ooh, good.
And mommy thinks,
A purse.
Barbie too. Let's see what's gonna be inside.
Wow.
What is it?
Good.
You are right.
Oh, it's a doctor.
It's Barbie. Doctor.
Doctor.
And who is this?
Oh, a dog.
Hmm.
A dog, actually.
Ah.
A doctor.
Ooh, look at
And
it.
this is a band-aid, but it's probably the stickers. Oops.
And how about this one?
Oh, that's a heart.
It's a heart.
Okay, it's only like that.
Yeah, that's such a pretty.
So it's like this. So let's see
Toy.
it. Look,
She is so pretty.
and the band-aid.
She's holding the puppy.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's open another one.
Yeah.
One more.
Oh, no, I'm going to open it later. So it's from this way.
Yeah. Look at the bunny. The bunny looks like you, Sally.
That's Kinder eggs.
Yeah.
Let's open them.
Let's open one more.
Yep.
Look, guys. What is it?
It's
What's
it's
it?
melted.
It's melted. Okay. So let's open it.
Okay.
So what do you think it's gonna be inside, Sally?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
I think it's a bunny.
I think it's Kinder Joy.
Okay.
And Man Kinder Joy.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
Okay. Open, Sally, open.
It's melted.
It's melted, that's okay. Open. Wow.
That's small.
Okay.
Open
That's a tiny one.
it. Yeah.
Come on, Sally.
I can't.
You want Mommy to open it?
Yes, sir.
Mommy helps Sally to open it. What is it?
It's like serene.
What is it?
It's like whoop.
It's a puppy. I was wrong. Oh, look at this, Sally.
We want one.
Dima, look.
Also,
We got a puppy.
woof woof. We have to put him in the cage.
Okay,
But how do we connect it?
let's connect it, Sally.
So I connect it.
Yeah, let's do
So let's put him in. Oh, I think that's like this.
Okay. Wait, where's the puppy? Give me the puppy.
Oh, here. It's like that.
The doctor is so ready. plane.
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have to say
Bye guys. Hope you like my videos. Give my videos thumbs up. Bye.
bye guys.
Bye guys.
Let's go. The airplane is going up.